YouTube, this is Colby, you asked for me, and I'm going to show you how to make a tutorial for this thing that I showed you in my last video. but, so first, you're going to want hold on, you're going to want two tubes, and we'll cut a regular piece of paper in half. And then roll both the halves into tubes. And you should try to make them a little bit smaller, but I'm rushing right now, so and just tape them together like this. James in the background, what are you making?
Magnum. 44 Magnum.
He is making a 44 Magnum.
Okay. This is
And alright. So when you have the two tubes taped, you are going to want to make a cover just like you make with a pistol when you're going to slide. But it's not going to slide. I might have little delays in this video because Daniel's using scissors. So, and then tape the bottom of the cover. It doesn't matter if you tape the tube because, like I said, it's not going to slide. And so you should have this. You can make it into a square a little bit if you want. Yeah, I did that. Like that. And then now you want to take a piece of paper and roll just a regular tube. Well, two regular tubes. And then just make sure it's small enough to go inside like that. So, and then just take it in. And then make another tube. Again, make sure it's small enough to fit into the tube that you just made. And of course, do it. Now, the tube that you just made, tape it onto the tube that you just put on this.
sorry.
And tape it. You already said that. Alright, once you have this, you are going to want to make a handle. And again, cut a piece of paper in half. And then you would want to, um, oh, and by the way, I'm not going to show you how to make all the attachments, but I will show you how to make the clips. So, fold up. Or shape it. And now, this part, see, to make a slanted handle, like this one, you are going to need to cut it like that, like on the little bag. Um, take it and put it on like this onto the gun, and that's where you get a slanted handle. And you keep it down. Oh, and the stock is optional if you want to do it. I'm not going to show you how. You know what? This is good enough for me because I'm not really cooking. You want it? Alright, so when you have it taped on, um, you would, hold on. Yes, I messed up. Hold on. Take the handle off and make another tube. And put another tube in the back.
Because the timer, there's a timer in front of
And take it off, and that is the end of part 1, and watch part 2. So